Hello everyone. As you know, wireless earbuds are becoming increasingly popular product around the world. In this video, I'm going to unbox and review one of the wireless earbuds that I've purchased recently online, which is Tribit X1. The Tribit X1 earbuds can be purchased online from Lazada or Shopee for just Rm185. And before I begin the unboxing, I'm going to introduce you to another online platform named Vettons, which you can purchase the Tribit X1 for just Rm120. Vettons is an online app similar to Lazada or Shopee. The good thing about Vettons is they offer shipping fee for just Rm1. So you should be able to purchase the Tribit X1 for a total of 121 ringgit, including the shipping. Note that Vettons can be accessible only through application, not computer, not web browser. So let's get to our unboxing. So I've just received the parcel a few days ago and the box looks like this. Let's go ahead and open up the box. Inside the box, you have the Tribit earbuds for left and right, and of course, with the Tribit charging case. The earbuds look small and nice, and for the charging case wise, it looks really small compared to other wireless earbuds charging case, making it portable and easier to carry around with your pockets. And there's a micro USB port behind the charging case that will be used to charge the case, with each full charge taking around 2 hours. The 800 mAh charging case allows earbuds to charge up to 5 times, with each charging time taking around 2 hours. The charging case has a LED that indicates the battery level at the front. The flashing of blue LED lights indicates the battery levels as shown in the table. Now, let's take out the accessories box. And see what's inside. I think that this Tribit Malaysia ships the same version as the Japanese one, as I could see that the Japanese word of accessories is stated at the box. So the accessory box consists of USB charging cable for charging the charging box, and also the earbuds with different sizes. This different size earbuds is for you to exchange if you feel that the original size of the earbuds does not suit you. I guess I'll stick with the default size earbuds. So underneath the box you have a user manual for the Tribit X1 that states the procedure of pairing your earbuds, and also status and action of your earbuds when it is pressed in different conditions. Pairing the earbud is fairly easy. I just need to turn on the earbuds and connect it to my smartphone with Bluetooth, and everything will be paired up and working. The earbuds fits in my ear nicely and it will not slip even when I'm exercising or swinging my ears. However, you will also feel protrusion in your ears, so it is not recommended to wear it when you are lying on the bed or sofa. Overall, it seems really good with this kinds of price range. Comment below on the comment section on what you feel about these wireless earbuds, and remember to subscribe our YouTube, Facebook and Insta for more technology news or tips on tricks for Google Apps and G Suite. Thank you for watching.